Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry, and today is Friday, April the 10th, and the time is 3 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of gold here. This is a 45 minutes chart here, and we can see the rally from 1566 is proposed to be in a 5 waves up, in which this is ending with 4 here in the black degree, meaning we are now in the wave 5 in the black, and the wave 5 in the black subdivides into another 5 waves, right? Another 5 waves here. Now, so that is what we are looking for right now. And as far as we stay above 1566 here, technically we could still see further upside. Now we are now in 1675 here. If we do get another sell-off, now the market is kind of closed right now because of the Good Friday, but let's say if we do get another leg lower, there is a possibility that we finish this one here. Alright, so you can shift it like this, and we could be already in the wave 4 in blue, and this could be, let's say, your AB for example, and then another leg lower C over here like this, okay, before turning higher. So that's also another possibility there, in case we do get another sort of sell-off in the coming hours. All right, now again, if it is closed, then we need to wait until next Monday to see if it is really going to go down or resume higher again. Okay, so that's what we're looking with gold. Now if we zoom out a little bit, and okay, let's talk about alternates first of all. Let's talk about alternates. Let's talk about alternates here. Now you notice here that this is the highest peak, and we do have a divergence here. So I think as an alternate, right, as an alternate, we could technically, let's say, call this 3 here, call this 4 here, and calling this as a 5 somewhere here, right? Now as an alternate we can do that. That means as an alternate we finish with 5 already here, and then instead of extending higher, then we will be looking for a bigger pullback, right? A bigger pullback. So if I zoom out, remember this is wave 4 in the black, which is what we are concerned at. That is the wave 4 here, the same wave 4. So this is 3, this is 1 and 2 in the 4-hour chart. So we're talking about the cycle from March 16 here, right? So obviously this sell-off, right? This sell-off was after the the shock from the coronavirus news. And then we completely recover in gold. I mean, almost taking out the previous high now. So we got a 1 2 3 4. Now again we are looking to finish with 5. So in the worst case kind of scenario, this could be finished, right? So this is 1 2 3 4 5 ending here, and then we will be correcting this entire cycle. So for now, this is the key level in the shorter cycle, and as long as that level is holding, we could still continue to see further upside within this wave 5 before ending this cycle. Now if you take a look, now this is when sometimes, well, we got so many different possibilities, so which one is going to be the one playing out? Well, this is the primary view we have right now. This is when correlation sometimes can help, right? Correlation sometimes can help. This is the primary view calling for the upside. Now if we take a look here, let's say I go to silver, right? Now you notice here in silver case, you got the same low on around March, right? and then you can see in the cycle looks to be in some sort of I mean, the simplest way is to call it as an ABC, I guess. So this is your A, let's say this is your B. Now you can see that it has not reached the target here in the 100%, 16.9. So the fact that if we look at silver, silver has I mean, there is an argument to be made, silver can extend higher. So that means gold also technically still has a chance to extend higher, even though the structure is a little bit different, and the structure has many different possibilities. You can call it completed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. But looking at silver, this is based on correlation, suggesting that most likely we can also see further extension higher in gold. Okay, so the shorter cycle remains the same as long as we can stay above 1566. Any pullback likely is going to find support in the in 3711 swing for more upside. Now the only thing again, so talking about probability, then I think still probability is extending higher. Now the alternate that could possibly happen in which it doesn't play out exactly like what the chart is showing is what I explained, that we might be already in the wave 5, sorry, in the wave 4 in blue. Now this is possible, something like this to happen, right? And in that case we are already in the wave 4 in blue. Now if it is in the wave 4 in blue, then you can measure typically wave 4 is 23.6, 38.2 retracement of the wave 3, right? So we could go back to around 1662, 1644. So if we can get something like a 3 waves like this going into this, then that could possibly the wave 4, and then from there we can still extend again higher. Okay, so that's the idea. We still like more upside in gold as long as we stay above 1566. Also the fact that we are pretty close to actually breaking above we're pretty close to breaking above that previous high from the pre-coronavirus here. The fact that we are close to break above here suggests, it tells me that I think most likely it is going to break above it first, attempting to break above it first before we can possibly end the cycle here as a 5 waves. Okay, so that's it, the update for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please do like and subscribe. It's a little bit complex, but it's I hope it is clear. And if you do like to check our service, we have 14 days free trial. I will provide the link in the description of the video below. See you all again, and have a good weekend to you all.